Monty, hi. You have food on your wing. You have food on your wing. I need to wash your wing. Monty. Hi, baby. Are you having a bad hair day, Monty? Hi. Monty, what the doggy say? Ruff, ruff. Monty, what the doggy say? Ruff, ruff. What the kitty say? Meow. Hi, Monty Punty. You're getting big. You are getting big. Yes. Can you say something for me, Monty? What did the doggy say? Ruff, ruff, ruff. Ruff, ruff, ruff. What did the doggy say, Monty? Ruff, ruff. Hola, Monty. Oh, listen. Thunders. We're gonna have a thunderstorm, Can you tell we're having a thunderstorm? Whoa, we're learning to stand up. We're learning to stand up. Monty, you're very, very fuzzy. You're getting fuzzy. Hi. Mont. We need to wash your wing, Mont. Such a good boy. Such a good boy. Or girl. Boy or girl. Oh. I love you, Mont. I love you, Mont. Such a big boy. Are we gonna wash that wing? Are you gonna wipe it? Are we gonna wipe it, Monty? Mont. Flap your wings, Monty. You're learning to flap your wings, don't you? Yeah. Yeah. Flap your wings, Mont. You are so cute. You are totally cute. Tell Annie that you're cute. Annie, I'm cute. Look at me. Look at my baby face. Huh? Ain't I cute, Annie? Yes. And I'll be even cuter when my mommy washes my wing. 'Cause I just ate and I made a mess. Bad hair day, huh, Monty? Okay, guys. That's all for now. Say goodbye, Monty. Bye, guys. See you later.